Hello, sun, warm me with your light. I've never seen you shine this bright.
You know, before, nung wala pa akong baby, I didn't really believe in mga life insurance. Kasi yung life insurance, parang kailangan mamatay pa muna talaga ako.
Shine on, experience the sun. Life is brighter under.
So ngayon ko nakita yung importance ng having a life insurance. It's yung life insurance para talaga sa may iwan mo talaga. Masarap ng feeling na gano'n na ako naman yung nag-aalaga, hindi naman ako yung inaalagaan. Life-changing. Itong baby na ito.